Good morning students and welcome to your science activity class. Dear students, our today's topic for science activity class is our helpers and their tools. Dear, do you know that who are our helpers? Dear children, I would like to introduce you some of the people who helps us in many ways. There are many people who lives around us and they help us in many ways. They help us by performing different kinds of works and they help us in many ways. Let us introduce you to some of our helpers. This activity is related with lesson 15 of your EVS book, People Who Help Us. Dear student, I will teach you this lesson in your next EVS class. So, this science activity is related with the same lesson. There are some people who help us in many ways. Who are they? They are doctors, teachers, policemen, postman, watchman, carpenter, tailor, cobbler, plumber, painter, milkman, and so on. These all are called as our helpers. How do these people help us? Dear children, we cannot do all the work by ourselves alone. So we need help from different kind of people. When we fall sick, we go to the hospital. And in the hospital, you will find a doctor. And what does our doctor do? A doctor treats us when we are sick. So, a doctor is also helping us. Next is teacher. A teacher teaches you in the classroom or in the school. So, a teacher teaches you in the school. So, teacher is also helping you by educating you. So, next is postman. How does a postman help you, children? A postman brings letter to us. A postman brings letter to us from the post office. So, a postman is also helping us. Next is tailor. How does a tailor help us? The clothes that we wear are stitched by the tailor. A tailor helps us by stitching our clothes. Painter. How does a painter help us? A painter paints the walls, the doors, the windows of our house. So, for doing all these things, he uses paints and paintbrush. So, you can see that these are the people who helps us in many ways. For doing this activity, you can take help of your EVS book. You can open page number 25 and 26 and you will find the picture of many people who are our helpers. And you can see their work is also given just below their picture. So, you can take help from this lesson, lesson 15, people who help us. So, how will you do this activity, children? Now, let's have a look on the board. First of all, you will divide the page into two parts. You will divide the page into two parts. Here, you will write as topic helpers. Helpers. H-E-L-P-E-R-S. Helpers. And here, on the next column, you will write tools. There are certain tools which are used by our helpers to perform certain work. Suppose you have to write the name of any 5 helpers. In this science activity, you have to write the name of any 5 helpers, such as teacher, tailor, barber, carpenter, doctor, milkman, washerman, policeman, cobbler, plumber, and so on. There are many people who helps us in many ways. So, what you will do in this science activity, you will write the name of any 5 helpers. You will write the name of any 5 helpers, and you have to paste the picture also. You have to paste the picture of a teacher. You have to paste the picture of a teacher also. Tailor. Suppose if you are writing tailor here, so you have to paste the picture of tailor. Suppose you are writing barber, you have to paste the picture of a barber here. And if you are writing the name of a postman, carpenter, whatever name you select, you have to write the name of that helper, and along with that, you have to paste the picture of that helper. If you are writing doctor, then you have to paste the picture of a doctor. If you are writing tailor, you have to paste the picture of a tailor. If you are writing washerman, then you have to paste the picture of washerman. In the second column, what will you write? As you can see that you have given title as tools. There are certain tools which are used by these helpers. So first of all, here you can see I have written teacher. So the first helper whose name I have written here, for example, is teacher. So what are the tools of a teacher, children? What are the tools a teacher uses while teaching? A teacher uses chalks. A teacher uses chalks, duster, blackboard. So you have to write the name of the tools. Chalk, duster, anything, children, which is related to the tools must match the profession of the helper. Teacher uses chalk, duster, blackboard. Tailor. What does a tailor use to perform his work? A tailor uses measuring tape. A measuring tape is used by tailor to measure the clothes. To cut the clothes, a tailor uses scissors, and a tailor also uses needle and thread to stitch the clothes. So you can write here tailor. So the tools that a tailor uses are needle, thread, scissor. Next is barber. So what are the tools that a barber uses? A barber uses knife. And comb. A barber uses knife and comb to trim our hair. So you can write scissors, comb, etc. Now, if you are writing carpenter, or electrician, anything, then what will you write? As a tool, you will write a carpenter, or if you will write doctor, then what will you write? You will write stethoscope. Here you can see that I have a stethoscope. Yes children, this is a stethoscope which is used by doctors. So here you can write stethoscope. Stethoscope, it is used by doctors. Injection. Yes, injection. Injections are also used by doctor. So these are the tools. These are the tools whose name you have to write on the second column. On the second column. If you are writing electrician as your helper, so you can see that an electrician uses tester. An electrician uses some tester and some screws, and an electrician also uses, what is this? Nail. An electrician uses nails, tester, screws. So you have to write the name of these tools in the second column. So in this way you have to make your science activity in your EVS copy. So I hope children that the instructions are very much clear to all of you. I'm going to repeat it for one more time. You will write science activity in your EVS copy and you will give title as our helpers and their tools. And then what will you do? You will divide the copy into two halves with the help of a scale. And in the first column you will write helpers, and in the second column you will write tools. You will write the name of any 5 helpers and you will paste the pictures of helpers. If you are writing doctor, you will paste the picture of doctor. If you are writing teacher, you will paste the picture of teacher. If you are writing tailor, you will paste the picture of tailor. And on the second column, you will write here as tools. And what will you write here? You will write the name of the tools used by these helpers. You will write the name of the tools used by these helpers. So I hope children that the instructions are very much clear to you all. So you will do this activity in your EVS copy and you will send me your work where I will give you this science activity as assignment. Okay children, till then keep learning and be safe. Thank you.